your phone charging?
My phone is charging because I'm playing Pokemon. But I wanted to make a video on this cool find at the, what was it? Estate sale. It's a Swiss Army knife. I guess I could have faked this, but the tag says Swiss $5, and it was half off. Things I like the Swiss Army knife. It has the toothpick, the tweezers, and one thing that was messed up about it is, maybe someone knows how to fix this, but the blade is kind of stuck. There's like some grease and gunk in there. It'd be hard to see, but there's grease and gunk in there. I used the tweezers to take lots of that out, but it's still kind of stuck. Everything else works well. There's a lot of looks like dog hair in it. And I like this one. It's not the super thick one that is made now. Pretty sure, I don't know if someone can verify this, but it says on the blade here at the bottom, it says Victorinox, Switzerland, stainless, can't read it, Rostfree, and I don't know if this is the made in China one, but I don't think it is because the people that lived here were pretty old. Everything else opens really easily. Flathead screwdriver that doubles as a can opener, and this line hook. There's also this. Can't remember what this does. There are scissors, which come in really handy. The next thing here is a saw. I think I can open it. Yeah. Which, yeah, I can probably cut wood like that pretty easily. After that, the blade, and then a smaller blade, usually for if you don't want to get the big blade dull with things. Nice camp knife.